Okay. Simple. This front side has a 1/2 inch hem, 1/2 inch hem on this side, so I know that I'm going to want to be on the outside of those. So I'm going to add that full inch right here to 19 5/8. 19 5/8 is going to be 20 5/8. 20 5/8. Same thing with the depth. Gonna want that extra hem flange on both of those. So we got 21 3/8. 20. Let me double check to make sure, but 21 3/8. Okay. That means 22 3/8. Top. 1 inch in. Bottom. Is 17 1/2, 16 1/2 by 20. 1/2 inch hem. We know our furnace is 33 inches tall, so from the ground, this is 40 1/2. 49 1/2. 49 1/2 minus 33. 49 1/2 minus 33 equals 16 1/2 tall. 16 1/2. Then I'm going to say no canvas if we make back right square, that'll offset us this way. Yep. Back right square. Which means out of this 20 5/8, it'll be, this is 19 5/8. So that means that if our back right is square, I'm going to go 19 5/8 down to 16 1/2. That's going to give me 3 inches over this way. 19 5/8, which is basically a half. You can basically call that a half. You're going to be 3 inches over this way. So that means from here, where our drop return is going to come in, we're going to have an additional 3 inches. So we already got 1 1/2 plus 3. That's going to bring us all the way over here, 4 1/2. This is where our furnace will be. Which means we can have a little bit wider of a filter cabinet if we wanted. So now I'll draw that up. And that looks just like this. You just draw it like this, and then like this. Boom. Boom. this measurement, this measurement. So what are we connecting to? How tall is it in total height? All the way to the ground. What is this measurement? What is this measurement? How big is the throat? Filter size. Left side of furnace. Canvas. Boom. So from here, we're going to want 1 inch in again. So from there, so I'm going to go literally from there to here. We got 19 and a half. So we want 20 and a half. 21 half. By how deep? 20 and 5/8. So 21 and 5/8. Did I screw this up? I probably screwed this up. Oh no, I didn't. Yeah, 19 and a half to 20 and a half. Okay. So then, all right, then we got total height, which we want it like 1 inch off the ground. So I'm just going to go right to here. We're going to say 50. We're going to say we want 1 inch off the ground. So we're going to say 49. 49. Even 48 and a half. And then here we want 25 by 20. And with a, how big of a throat is that? We're going to be 3 inches in this way. 3 inches in. And then to here. We probably won't even be able to get a 5 or 4 inch. Holly can swing it. We want a 4 inch filter. 4 1/2 and filter size. Filter size is 20 by 25 by 4. Top 1 inch in. Then I can see here, okay, we got a freaking crazy exhaust. Okay, yeah, we got some crazy exhaust. So I already know we want a 4-footer here, a 4-footer there. So 3 4-footers and 2 2-footers. 3 4-foot 4 inch smoke. 1 2 3 4. We'll call it 590s. 5 4 inch 90s. I always grab 2 2-foot 4 inch smoke. Thermostat's good. Probably replace that condo pump. Condo pump. Don't even got anywhere to plug that sucker into. Oh, yep, there it is. Anyway, what else? AGA shut off. AGA shut off. And that union's crusty. Union. From here, we'll wanna what, in a 2-footer? So the top of our furnace is 33 right here. So we're going to be about right there. So somewhere in the realm of a 3-footer. Yeah, 33 is only right here. We're going to be right here. So maybe even a 30-incher. Yeah, 30-incher will get us right there. So 30-inch, 30-inch, 1/2 inch gas. That'll get us there. Probably do a new 2x4 box. You're gonna have to redo the MC cable. MC cable. New 2x4 box. 2x4 box. And switch. And that's about it.